Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I make my corned beef and cabbage recipe. Alright guys, this is like one of the best soups that I love making when corned beef is out and getting sold in the stores. So I got a pretty good, decent size of the corned beef. It comes with the seasoning, and then I chopped up my potatoes. I like to leave the skin on with all of my soups. It's just how I am. Just make sure you wash it really well. And then go ahead and get your onions, and then I got a whole head of cabbage, and then I got my carrots, and that's just the main ingredients. This is the seasoning, and this is magic, y'all. Like, this stuff is just so good. I love it. And anyway, some people like to cut off the fat. I don't. I love the flavor of it, okay? I love eating the fat, so I leave it on there. And you can go ahead and chop it up into sections. You don't have to do this. This is just a way to cook it faster. The thing that I would do here is make sure that you fill it to the top. That's how you know when the meat is covered. That's how much you add for the water. And then go ahead and add that seasoning in there so that can go ahead and cook into the meat. Get that in the flavor of the soup as well as you're making it. I add my onions and then your celery. Get that nice and chopped up as well. Go ahead and, you know, what I wish I would have done is leave this super low boiling for a couple hours until the meat is tender. I cook this part a little bit too fast in this video, and you don't want to overcook the meat. The last step you could do as well is you could actually cook the meat last, like putting your vegetables in first and then your meat last, and let that boil slowly.